Alright, here's the iPad box coming undone. There it is. Hallelujah. This could be yours if it survives our drop test. Again, I don't think, keep your hopes up for this one. iPad drop. Let's go. Here's the iPad 2 3-foot concrete drop. Now let's slow this down to 6,900 frames per second. Notice how when the iPad 2 impacts the ground, the force is transferred directly through the metal bezel to the glass, and you can see the screen wobble as shards of glass fly away and lines spread up through the screen. It's pretty amazing what this Phantom camera can do. Now let's go ahead and speed this up for a second. Alright, now let's take a look here. Notice how the Apple logo wobbles even as the iPad strikes again on the corner, until finally the iPad 2 comes to rest on its face. Alright, well it's probably hard to see this thing, but it's shattered all along the glass. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Some glass shards went up through it. We're trying to all drop them all so they hit the corners, but man, the iPad didn't even survive the 3-foot drop. Man, this is so not durable. So here's the iPad 2 from a 5-foot drop. We're dropping it on the other corner that's undamaged. 3, 2, 1. Again, let's slow this down to 6,900 frames per second. Notice as the lines spread like spider webs over the screen, frame by frame. The extreme wobble of the entire chassis is noticeable, and several large chunks of glass come flying off. Also, if you look carefully, you can see tiny particles of glass float away like dust. While you would think the aluminum back would help protect the device, it only aids in its destruction by transferring the momentum directly to the fragile screen. As you see, the screen is just more fully damaged at this point.
It's a little bit of peeling up at the side on that one.
Yep, it's kind of peeling up. So, all right, there you go. All right, let's get this. GizmoSlip.com